Welcome to Sci Technical Learning. So today we'll discuss about HLOOKUP in Excel. So what is HLOOKUP? So HLOOKUP stands for horizontal lookup and can be used to retrieve information from a table by searching row for the matching data and outputting from the corresponding column. While VLOOKUP searches for the value in column, HLOOKUP searches for the value in row. So basically HLOOKUP will search value for the particular row. So currently we have product inventory table where we have product number, product name, product price and stock available in kg, and its respected values are stored in particular row. So now we are applying HLOOKUP over second table. So in second table we have product number, product price and stock available in kg. So with the help of HLOOKUP we are going to find the value for the particular product. So here we have product number, that is 1120201123, and I want to find value for product price as well as stock available in kg. So how to apply HLOOKUP? So for that we require equals to sign followed by HLOOKUP. So when we write HL, the HLOOKUP will automatically arrive. So we simply required tab key. Now first value, that is lookup value, that means which value you are going to find. So we are going to find this particular value, so just click on that value. Now second parameter, that is table array. So from which table you are going to find this particular value. So we are going to find from this particular table. Now third column or third argument, that is row indexed number. So here the row index number which is relative to this particular table only. So this table having row 1, row 2, row 3 and row 4. So for this product price, which row number we require? So here product price is at row number 3, because for current table the product price is at row number 3. So here we require row number 3, comma last parameter. So last parameter is whether you are going to search for approximate match or exact match. So currently we are finding exact match, so just click on that. So we'll get false value and then closing bracket and just press enter. So here we have 240 value, that is the value of this particular product. Similarly for the stock available in kg, again we required equals to HLOOKUP. First parameter, which number you are going to find. So we are going to find this 23 number from which table array. So from this array, comma row index number. So for stock available, the row index number is fourth one for this respective table. So we required 4, and again last one, that is exact match. So double click and bracket over, then just press enter. So here make sure that if you want to drag this particular row, then you will get an error. So for that, if you want to achieve such kind of functionality, then first you required over here, and inside that for the particular column or row number we required $sign before that particular number and $sign after that particular number, and same thing for F as well. So $sign and again $sign and just press enter. So here we have one notification, so just click OK. So now we have 240 over here, so just drag and drop. So we'll get same value. For example, for 135 we have product price, that is 225. So we can check it over here. So for 135 value we have product price 225. So same thing can be applied over here. So once we required $sign over here as well as $sign after that particular number. Similarly $sign before number and $sign before after number. Just press enter and then we can drag that particular column. So now we have for 135 value we have kg stock, that is 350. So 135 kg stock 150 350. So this is all about HLOOKUP in Excel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.